अच्छा, diet or exercise?
Exercise plus diet.
Both. Okay. Slow weight loss or fast weight loss?
Slow weight loss with
Dis-
discipline.
Carbs friendly or enemy?
Carbs अभी तक इस सलाद में तो एनिमी ही है.
Ozempic or Manjaro?
बंजारो.
Okay. Skipping meals, yes or no?
No.
Okay. Protein or fiber, more important?
Both.
Wow. Face yoga, myth or helpful?
Yeah, it's helpful.
It's helpful. Cha. Filler after weight loss, yes or no?
No.
Weight loss के बाद fillers नहीं.
स्कल्प्रा बेहतर है उससे.
अच्छा, ये मैं पहली दफा नाम सुना. स्कल्प्रा.
स्कल्प्रा.
अच्छा, स्कल्प्रा. One habit everyone should start today.
थोड़ा खाएं सुथरा खाएं.
बिल्कुल सही. Okay, one habit everyone should stop today.
Overeating.